And hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for joining me today on this live stream video for the property in Turnbridge Close. So as I slowly pan round to give you an idea of the location, for those of you that don't know, Asda supermarket is I'd say about a 5-minute drive down the road, whereas the George pub, the Showcase cinema and the access to the motorway is about 5 minutes in the other direction. So this is a really quiet, and you can tell that by the bird song that you can hear over road noise. This is a lovely family home. So what I'm doing here, just to the side of the property, you have driveway parking for 2 cars parked in tandem, and you also get the garage. And welcome to all of those that are logged in and watching. Hello there, nice to see you there. With this being a live stream video, feel free to ask me questions. I will do my best to answer those as I go round. You can also request private viewings as well. So once we're inside the property, we are into a really welcoming hallway, lovely wood floor. To the side, we have a downstairs WC. Always important in that one there, with the sink, and then nice good sized window as well. On the right hand side we have the kitchen, and it is a lovely spacious kitchen. We have got the units in here, so there's the washing machine, here's your boiler as well. Now it's a gas combi boiler, and then you've got your hob and oven, and there's your extractor fan. Built-in fridge freezer as well. Now, and then you've got this lovely worktop as well. Good sized window overlooking the front of the property. And what I love is that the other house on the other side of the road is set back a good ways, so you're not peering into someone else's front room or anything like that. It feels really quite private. So with these type of properties here, you have your reception room here, really good size living room diner. They have got a two rather large sofas as well, and there is loads of room throughout. Really spacious, lovely light and bright. And with that, what the previous vendors have done is erect this conservatory to give you an extra space downstairs. So looking back through towards the front door, we then have this conservatory, and it's a really welcoming space. It's a lovely bright room. There's the roof, all really good quality. Windows and glass all the way round, and it's double glazed as well. There is electrics, and there is a rad here as well to answer your question. So it's a lovely spacious room. They're currently using it as a dining space, and the reason that they are selling is because they have a young couple and their little one, and they're just looking for a bit more room in this property. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you the back garden. So there is your side gate access, and then it's all low. It's all patio, so really low maintenance garden on here, and you've got access to the garage, and it's a good sized garage as well. Just show you the space in there. You've got rafter storage here as well. So yeah, really good sized space, lovely dry storage area, and then at the back there you've got a small lean-to shed. I say small, it actually goes more or less the whole width way down the garages. So it's a really, lots of storage, really good size. I know I keep saying it, but it is. So what we'll do is we'll head on upstairs, and I'll show you the bedrooms and the bathroom. Now, as we go on up, this is a 2 double bedroom property. The main bedroom is also serviced by an ensuite bathroom. But what I'll do, I'll take you down the end of the hallway, and here's the family bathroom. So look, lovely big bath, and then white units for it all. Good sized window as well, so no problems at all with any sort of damp issue, anything like that. And certainly while walking around, there's nothing in here. So bedroom 2, as you can see, currently being used as a nursery. You have the added benefit of built-in storage, and it is a comfortable room. A double bed would fit in, and because you've got the built-in wardrobes, you'd be okay. Airing cupboard just here, and then coming on through, this is the main bedroom. So with this one here, really good size double, nice large room, very spacious, and give you an indication, I'll give you a view out over the back garden as well. So this, what you can see behind the fence, is actually a driveway for a property that's down the end. So it's nice and quiet actually. So yeah, with the main bedroom, built-in wardrobes as well, but you also get this ensuite bathroom, which is rather lovely. So you have a shower in here, and then the sink unit and mirror, and there's your light in there as well. So it is really well looked after. And these guys, they've owned it for a while. They actually bought it through us, which is so it's a real honour to now be asked to sell the home that they bought through us, and that one there. So yeah, they're looking for a slightly bigger property. They're looking for that third room, and here we are. So you also have, just show you here as you've asked. So there's your loft access as well. It's a lovely spacious home. It would make a perfect sort of first home, or maybe if you are looking as an investor, maybe an investment property as well. You've got really good schools nearby. You've got some fantastic shops. You've got great access for the motorway and other transport links as well. So it could be the ideal investment property. So if there's no further questions on this one here, I'm going to say goodbye. I want to thank you all for joining me, and I'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Those of you that have asked for the private viewing, what we'll do is we'll get in touch with yourself and we'll speak very shortly. All the best, take care, speak soon.